Hello, am I audible? Hello, hello, am I audible? Okay, so last time we did about listening, no? Tomorrow is holiday, you know now? On account of Eid, tomorrow is holiday. So, what we were doing? We were talking about listening, na? Yesterday we were talking about listening, correct? You people are not responding only. मौन व्रत लिया हुआ है आज सबने. Okay, चलो. So barriers to listening we were doing yesterday. Okay. So what is the importance of listening? I told you listening is important for productivity, for performance, for information, है ना? Listening. क्या हो रहा है यार ये? Okay. So we were talking about listening. Listening is important. Importance of listening gives us information. Listening improves relationship. If you listen well, you can avoid. So we were talking about barriers to good listening. To listening. What I told you yesterday under barriers to listening. One is distraction, correct? Second is language barrier. What else? Hello. Do you remember something what I told you? Hello, you are not speaking only. क्या हुआ? मौन व्रत लिया हुआ है क्या सबने आज? नहीं बोलना है, ऐसा है? चलो नहीं बोलना है तो भी ठीक है. नंबर 1 इज डिस्ट्रैक्शन, करेक्ट? नॉइस, ना? नॉइस. देन लैंग्वेज बैरियर, correct? Then faulty device, faulty instrument, defective device. Then sixth is psychological barrier. Okay. Psychological barrier also depends on your status. Okay. If you are higher in status, you don't like to listen to what your subordinate says. Also affects listening, becomes a barrier. Okay. So A status, B your emotion. If you are happy, unhappy, stressed, unstressed, all these also affect listening, becomes a barrier. Okay. Then first C. Perception. How do you perceive things? Okay. D. Filtering. E. Attitude. What is your attitude to speaker? Okay. F. Health. Your physical and psychological health also becomes a barrier to listening. Okay. Then closed mind. Then H. All this I have halo effect. All this I have told you already under barriers to communication. So I am not repeating it again. Is it clear? Angry, anxiety, yeah. Defective instrument, faulty instrument, noise, angry anxiety and all this comes under emotions. Okay. Anger is emotion, happiness is emotion, sadness is emotion. Then your health, whether you are physically or mentally disturbed, okay, stressed, halo effect. Then physical defect of the speaker. Defect. If somebody is stammering, okay, now after psychological barrier, the physical defect of speaker. Okay, so the person is stammering. Okay, also affects the listening. So these are barriers. Is it clear to you? So all these are barriers to communication. Correct? Barriers to good listening, barriers which affect communication process. Here's the syllabus. Let me see the syllabus. So barriers to listening we have done. Okay. Now we will come to next topic, that is cultivating good listening skills. So cultivating good listening skills. What you need to do to become a good listener, effective listener? Cultivating good listening skills. First is attention or concentration, you can say. Acha, under that even I can under barriers to listening, fake listening can be also written. Fake listening, pretended listening. You are pretending that you are listening to the person, but actually you are not listening. That also becomes fake or pretended listening. also becomes a barrier to good listening. Okay, so attention and concentration are needed to develop good listening skills. Should I rate this? All of you have noted down. Okay, so I am erasing it. Today you are silent. किसी ने डांट वाट दिया क्या तुम लोगों को? बोल ही नहीं रहे हो कुछ, या आज वो सोचा है बोलने का नहीं है? Fake or pretended listening. Okay, cultivating good listening is you need to be attentive, you need to have a concentration, you need to attend to what the speaker is saying. First is attention and concentration. Second, avoid distraction, noise, interruption, avoid distraction, noise, interruption while the speaker is speaking. Okay, third, don't talk to someone sitting beside you. Don't talk, whisper, mutter, to someone sitting near you. Okay, now you should not disturb the speaker. Acha, you have been muted. Who muted you? Mute all. मैंने तो म्यूट नहीं किया ना तुम लोगों को, पहले वाले टीचर ने म्यूट कर दिया है. ओके, okay, I will unmute you later on. Let it be. Don't talk, whisper, mutter to someone sitting near you. Okay, then third is don't daydream. Okay, so don't daydream means don't imagine. When somebody is saying something, you start imagining. Okay, so that also affects listening. Okay, so don't daydream, don't imagine. Okay, don't pretend to listen. Rather, listen critically. Critically means you have to see what the speaker is saying. Whether the speaker is saying correctly or not correctly, you have to judge, means you have to evaluate the speaker critically. Okay, be an emphatic listener. You have to listen from beginning till end with attention and concentration to become a good listener. Okay? Have you noted down all these things? Can I erase it? Yes. Okay. So I am erasing it now. Okay. Then focus on the speaker's speech content. Content, language, style, body language. Okay, etc. Just listening to content will not make you a good listener. You have to understand, because non-verbal communication is also important, है ना? So what the speaker is saying, whether whatever the speaker is saying, according to the speaker, he believes in whatever he is saying, or he is just making statement like that. You come to know when you listen to the language, style, content, and even body language. Okay, so that is very, very important to understand. Okay, then what else you need to do to noise and disturbance you will avoid. You will listen intelligently. Listen intelligently. Listen actively. Listen with complete concentration. You will interact only after so what you will be doing, you will also listen with attention and concentration. Avoiding disruption. Disruption and contradiction. So you need not contradict the speaker. Even if you don't agree with the speaker, you have to listen with attention and concentration. Don't disrupt the conversation, don't contradict. Okay, you, if you have any query or if you don't satisfy with the speaker, ask your queries during question answer session only. Okay, so you are not supposed to interrupt the speaker, contradict the speaker. You are supposed to ask your queries during question answer session only. Okay, then you need to practice for listening well by listening various lectures, public speeches, audio videos, etc. Clear? Try to understand speaker's point of view. Listen from speaker's point of view. Okay, you have to understand what the speaker is saying, and that is to be understood from speaker's point of view. Is it clear? Listen for receiving information. You have to listen to receive information. Okay, so you will listen for receiving information instead of evaluating. So you have to listen to get in receiving information instead of contradicting. Being the speaker. Okay, so should I erase this much you have noted down? Reorganize the material in your mind. Okay, in your mind and to ask your queries, to ask your doubts, queries, etc. Okay. Appreciate the speaker for providing information. Okay. Be open minded. And active. Don't indulge in any other activity. Is it clear? So you have to be open minded and active and don't indulge in any other activity except listening. Is it clear? Now listening speed is always faster than speaking speed. Okay, thinking speed is also faster than speaking speed. So you have to make use of that time. Okay, a speaker can speak 100 to 125 words in a minute, or okay, but our mind thinks faster and our mind listens faster. So you have to make use of that gap period. Okay, so you have to be open minded and active. Okay, so don't indulge in any other activity except listening. Is it clear to you? Okay, so now this is over. I have told you also about difference between hearing and listening. Hearing is voluntary. Sorry, yes, hearing is involuntary. Listening is voluntary process. Okay, hearing is accidental, automatic, involuntary, effortless, passive process. Listening requires practice, being alert, a conscious effort, requires focused involvement, and it involves mind and body. Okay, so hearing is passive, involuntary, automatic, effortless, and effortless and involves, sorry, ears. Okay, while listening is active, voluntary, okay, attempt, and involves body and mind. Is it clear? So this is the basically difference between listening and hearing. Is it clear to you? Can I erase it? So I am erasing the upper part. Now what are the various types of listening that I am just explaining? Okay. Listening, types of listening. One, fake or pretended listening. Many students do that in the classroom. They try to pretend that they are listening, but actually they are not listening. So that is known as fake or pretended listening, where listener tries to show tries to show tries to show or pretend but actually not listening. Okay, so this is fake or pretended listening. Is it clear? Second is emphatic listening. Okay, so you try to understand, you listen to the speaker. Emphatic listening. You put yourself in place of speaker and try to listen whatever the listener is saying. The listener listens from speaker's point of view. Try to understand the speaker's point of view. Okay? Himself or herself in speaker's place. Is it clear? So, emphatic listening. The listener listens from speaker's point of view, putting himself or herself in speaker's place. Oh, sorry. Okay. Third is in listening for information, informational listening. Critical listening. In various books you may get different types of listening even. Okay, so don't get confused. Try to understand, and if you listen, you can ask me if you don't understand it. Critical listening means listener listens from speaker, whatever the speaker is saying, try to understand the speaker's intention, but then he also criticizes, analyzes the information. Okay, so critical or analytical listening. So the listener analyzes whatever the speaker says. Okay, listener analyzes whatever the speaker says and tries to and even if the speaker, whatever the speaker had said, listener doesn't agree, tries to express his disagreement, his or her disagreement as well. Disagreement politely. Okay, is it clear to you? So listener analyzes whatever the speaker says and tries to express his or her disagreement politely. That is known as critical or analytical listening. Okay, so understood or not? Now see, whatever I am teaching, you may not agree with whatever I am saying. So you express your disagreement as well. Okay. Evaluative listening. Evaluative listening is you evaluate whatever the speaker is saying. And you listen whatever is useful for you. Okay, so that is evaluative listening. कौन सा टाइप है ये? फोर्थ फिफ्थ? फोर्थ आई थिंक ना. फर्स्ट वाज प्रिटेंडेड लिसनिंग, सेकंड वाज फोर्थ पॉइंट ना. यस, second was emphatic listening, third was critical analytic, fourth was evaluative, fifth is appreciative listening. So you appreciate the speaker. Okay, as a listener appreciates the speaker. Okay, this is mainly used for musical performance, correct, political speech, tally talks, etc. Is it clear? So you appreciate the speaker for musical performance, for political speech, tally talks, radio talk, okay, television talk, okay. So that is also one type of appreciative listening. Next is informational listening. So sixth one is informational listening. Okay, so you listen for information. So all your lectures of your subject lectures, such as subject lectures, okay, then suppose lectures related to medicine, okay, career related talks, health related, career health related talks are all your informational listening. Is it clear? Sometimes you indulge in listening where you are not interested in listening, you just listen some part of the lecture, okay. So you listen to only side talk, side listening, that is known as you are not fully involved in listening. Partial listening, which can be said as partial listening. So you listen in the beginning, you listen in the end. Okay. Beginning or end. Okay. So you listen in the beginning or end. Is it clear? So that is known as partial listening. You don't listen completely. So many students do not, they attend, they start now in virtual classroom. I don't know whether you are really listening or not listening, or whether you have just logged in. Okay. So what I do, I may not know even whether you are listening or not listening. Correct? No? So you just listen in the beginning or the end, okay, and you don't listen to the whole lecture. That is partial listening. I am doing partial listening because joined late Tirupati. Okay, so many of you may be doing that. Okay, partially listening, not listening properly. Okay, so I am unmuting you all for the time being. Okay. So you can now tell me whether you understood whatever I have taught you today or not. I have unmuted you. Hello.
Understood, ma'am.
Everybody understood whatever I have taught you today?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So should I end the meeting now? Then this chapter of listening is over from my side now. So we will move on to next topic. But before that, I will show you some videos related to listening as well. Okay, or whatever I want to. One lecture we will give for that. Tomorrow is holiday because of on account of Eid. Okay, so you will not be having lecture tomorrow. Saturday I don't have lecture in your class, correct? So, oh, you are thanking me for what? I am doing my duty, and my for me big thank will be that you all learn well, study well, understand well whatever I am teaching you, and then get good marks, pass your exam well. That will be a big thank you for me. Okay. So I am ending now. Is it clear? Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I am ending the meeting now. Happy Eid to all. Okay.